So during our homeschool breaks, I like to go through our things, see what we need, and do some organizing if I need to. And this is our space over here in the dining room. I have these 3 cabinets that I use to organize our crafts, and I also had stuff on a cart. So I wanted to get everything organized just in these cabinets, and I knew I had enough space. So I picked up some new organizers so that I could get all of the manipulatives and just things that I had on our cart. And wanted everything to just be in one place. I can't believe we've been in this house for 9 months or so, and I'm still figuring out how to organize everything. It is helpful for me, it is helpful for the kids to make sure that everything has a home, especially our homeschool supplies. It not only makes it easier for us to clean up and find things, but also I find it easier to set up more activities, be more creative, and use more of our things, just because when I have things in like 5 different places, my ADHD is just not happy with that. We've homeschooled in a playroom before, we've homeschooled in a dedicated homeschool room. I've shared the homeschool room with the office. We lived in a 2-bedroom apartment, and I just had like a little corner in the kitchen to store all of my things. So we've definitely evolved and we've come a long way, and I'm just glad I got it all.